Hi everyone, I'm just gonna dive into Dogecoin once again. Thank you so much for the kind words that you've been saying. I never really planned to make these videos, okay? You guys are leaving so many amazing comments out there and you're pushing me to create these videos, okay? I never intended to make so many videos. My own plan was to create updates on Bitcoin and that's it, okay? But you've pushed me to even do more analysis on so many different coins. But if that's the nature of my work, I'm just gonna do it. Here we are with the Doge, okay? Now, in the Doge section right now, we did have this symmetrical triangle. We've broken out of this symmetrical triangle. Look at that beautiful pump right there, okay? And for me, man, Doge is looking bullish. Doge is looking bullish for November, okay? Why do I say this? Because if we go back in history from April to April, 15th of April, okay, we went all the way, have that parabolic move, came down here, hit our head, went up, came down again, hit our head at this point, hit our head once again at this point, make a beautiful double top. Do you see that? 1 second top, and wherever you break out, you went all towards the downside. Again, you went towards the upside. Now, this I'm on the daily time frame, and I'm going to show you what is happening with Doge, okay? I'm going to pull in this one a little bit. You've broken out of that larger descending triangle. You came up, you're just coming down for the retest, and we're just continuing, okay? We're not losing. Do you see that? We're not entering inside the triangle. We're not being trapped, okay? We've already escaped the prison, okay? You are in a jail, you are behind the bars for a very long time, for a couple of months here, okay? Until you finally break out of the prison. You just want to go, it's like, you know, I'm gonna describe this one to you. It's like you're going back and looking at the gate of the prison right now. You're just looking a pic. You're telling the security guards here, and you're kissing them goodbye to go towards the upside, okay? That's what Doge is doing right now, okay? It's going to wet the pants of the people who are bearish, who think that, hey, Doge is gonna go down, we're gonna go bearish. No, that's not gonna happen. I don't think anytime soon Doge is gonna go down. But if you ever see something coming here, if magic happens, if the chart gets invalidated, which doesn't happen all the time, and you see Doge going losing a particular level, I'm gonna drop down that level, okay? Put a stop loss, huge stop here at 0.1953 if you're buying Doge. If you ever see Doge losing this level, that's it. You're gonna go even down, okay? That's the bear market scenario. But I don't see that. Why should I lie to you? I don't see that, okay? On the daily time frame, we had a beautiful inverse head and shoulder. That's the left shoulder, the head, and then you have your right shoulder, okay? Now, equally, you do have the neckline. This was your neckline, okay? I'm gonna tell you what is the neckline. You came up, head rejection right there. You came up, head rejection. You came up, head rejection. And I'm gonna zoom in here until finally you broke out of it. Look, you're just coming down to retest the last neckline, okay? You're retesting the last neckline, and equally you're retesting this symmetrical triangle that you've broken out of Doge. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, now the next thing, I'm going to lay down the Fibonacci retracements, and I'm going to tell you. Now, I do have my own technical targets at nearly 60 cents. I do think we're going to go even above this one, but in the midterm, I'm looking for 60 cents in November, okay? I'm going to take the top here to the bottom right there, and look at that, okay? From the fibs, right? If I'm going to actually bring this one down a little bit, I'm going to extend this one like that, and look what Doge is doing. Recently, what was happening with Doge, we went all the way towards nearly the 0.5, hit our head in the 0.5. We did came down, we lose the 0.382 as well, but that's okay, because I told you the inverse head and shoulder, we do have the neckline, and it's taking a large support out there, because in the history, this was resistance there, and then resistance right there, okay? So what was resistance back in the history has turned into a big support in the present, okay? Do you see that? Now from here, I do see some bullish reversals towards the upside, and I do see the bears are losing their power, and the bulls are stepping in right now, okay? So do hold. I'm holding Doge. I did buy a little bit higher, the 32 level. I said this before, but the thing is, hold it. We're gonna move, okay? It's looking golden, still looking golden. Nothing about bearish pattern. Do not lose your mind if you have a 5% loss. Sometimes it's just a floating loss. Hey, here's a quick tip, okay? People say that they lose money, okay? They bought at 10, they see their coin is going to 8, okay? If they entered at 8, let's say a coin is priced at $10, and then it goes down to $8, and your balance is 20% down. No, that is a floating loss. The day you're gonna cash out your money into your native currency, for example, you cash out Doge to your native currency like dollars, that's the time you actually sell in a loss. Why are you gonna sell in a loss? Okay, this is a floating loss. Okay, yesterday it was 2 days ago or 3 days ago, it was at 21. Okay, today it's at 25. Tomorrow it's gonna be at 35. The day after tomorrow it could be at 43. This is a floating loss. Now equally on the other direction, we have a floating profit as well. If you do not take your profits out here, let's say it pumped nearly the 34 region and you do not take your profit, you never got that profit. Okay, it was just a floating profit. You just saw your portfolio going up today, you didn't cash out $2 and then it went down. Okay, even this one is not your loss. The day you're gonna cash out, that's when you're gonna decide if you're in a loss or in a profit. Until you're holding, you cannot make a decision that you're in a loss or in a profit. Okay, so keep holding, don't sell to the whales. They love to buy even lower. Okay, they're gonna try to shake you out, they're gonna try to pull you out. Okay, keep a strong hands, and we're gonna continue towards the upside. This is crypto. Okay, crypto is not meant for people who have weak hearts. We need strong hearts in crypto, otherwise you're gonna be wrecked. Okay, now enough with the talk. Yeah, that was a bit long. Okay, now I'm looking for Doge to go near the 0.618. We crossed this level. Okay, if we ever cross this 41 region, we're good to go. By the end of the bull run, maybe you could have $2, nearly $2. Okay, yeah, so that's it for Dogecoin update. Okay, remember, I'm gonna recap this one for you. If you ever lose the 0.1953, this level, that's gonna be very bad, negative for Doge. Okay, but as long as you're above this particular level, okay, as long as you're above the 0.19 level, it still has it has 100% chance for me, from my side. Not a financial advice, but according to my own research for the past couple of months, look, everything is clear on the charts, and the charts never lie, by the way. Okay, it has 100% chance of moving towards the upside. So that's it for Dogecoin update today. I hope you did enjoy that small update, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.